Hello everyone, I'm Mina. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel to practice another part of English grammar. In previous lesson, I explained when to use past perfect tense. It's not a bad idea to go through it once again.
Turn it up! Turn it up!
We use past perfect to talk about a past action, but this action happened before another action in the past. For example, I had cooked dinner when my friends arrived. First, I cooked dinner, then my friends arrived. Have I said I'm a big fan of Friends series? Okay, both actions happened in the past. Cooking was number 1, my friend's arrival was number 2. For the first action, use past perfect. I had cooked dinner. For the second action, use simple past. My friends arrived. One more example. She had emailed the report when her boss called. Look at the following timeline. Both actions happened in the past. She emailed the report and her boss called. Which action happened first? Emailing the report. So I use past perfect and say she had emailed the report. And the other action is the second one. So I use simple past and say her boss called. The final sentence is like this. She had emailed the report when her boss called. What's the structure for making past perfect sentences? It's quite easy. Use had and past participle form of verb or PP form of verb. You can also use contractions to speak more naturally. I mean, instead of saying, I had cooked dinner when my friends arrived, you can say, I'd cooked dinner when my friends arrived. She had emailed the report when her boss called. You can use the contraction and say, she'd emailed the report when her boss called. So you can connect the auxiliary to the subject and say, I'd, we'd, they'd, you'd, she'd, he'd, and it'd. It'd. Repeat. It'd. Great. Look at the following examples and try saying them in contractions. He had taken out the garbage when he went to bed. In contraction, you can say, he'd taken out the garbage when he went to bed. Next. It had just finished raining when I went to work. You can say, it had just finished raining when I went to work. Something that might be a little tricky is that there is the same contraction form for I would. The contraction is I'd. Are you confused? Don't worry, I'll help you with it. Look at these examples. I'd go to the library every morning. I'd gone to the library when the lights went off. Remember, I would is followed by simple verb, while I had is followed by past participle form of verb. I'd go to the library every morning. This is the contraction for would, as we have the base verb go here. I'd gone to the library when the lights went off. This is the contraction for had, because gone is the PP form of verb. Look at the following sentences. Are they the contraction forms for I had or I would? Number 1. He'd wanted to see the movie, but he didn't have enough money. Is it the contraction for he would or he had? Look at the main verb, wanted. It is in PP form. So the correct answer is he had. Number 2. It'd rain if we went to the beach. Is it the contraction for it would or it had? Look at the main verb, rain. It is in simple form. So the correct answer is it would. Number 3. I'd written the letter before he came home. Is it I would or I had? Look at the main verb, written. So the correct answer is I had. How many correct answers have you got? Comment me your results below. Alright, it's time to practice to feel more confident and comfortable with past perfect tense. I'll give you 2 past events and you have to decide whether to use past perfect or simple past tense. Get your pen and notebook ready. Event 1. Play games. Event 2. Have dinner. Event 1. Blow out the candle. Event 2. Open the gifts. Event 1. Make a hotel reservation. Event 2. Go on vacation. Please comment me your sentences. Be sure that I'll read them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. I'll be back soon with another past perfect lesson. Goodbye.